Bhavanam Kevalam Bhavanam Kevalam Bhavanam Kevalam Bhavanam Kevalam.
Nagdulot ng kabi-kabilang pagbaha, malakas na ulan sa ilang lugar sa Metro Manila dahil mga nakabarang basura sa drainage ang sinisisi.
Plastic waste is something we can't ignore today, especially here in the Philippines. Our beautiful beaches and seas all across the country are being covered in plastic trash that hurts our fish, sea turtles, and other wildlife that makes our rivers and lakes dirty. Plastic waste accumulates because plastic is cheap, versatile, and widely used for packaging, containers, and many everyday items. Poor waste management in many areas means plastic is often dumped illegally, burned outdoors, or washed into rivers and oceans instead of being recycled or safely disposed of. A cleanup drive is coordinated activity where individuals, communities, organizations, or government groups come together to collect and properly dispose of waste from public or private spaces such as streets, parks, beaches, rivers, and neighborhoods.
Sa Pilipinas, napakatindi na ng plastic pollution. Isa tayo sa mga bansa na nagko-contribute ng malaki dito sa marine plastic pollution. Hindi mo naman masisisi dahil nga kalakhan ng ating populasyon is nagkukonsumo ng mga instant products, mga nakalagay sa sachets. Firstly, ang gusto namin paabot sa mga tao is yun nga, bawasan natin yung plastic consumption natin. Kung maaari ay gumamit tayo ng mga reusable containers. Nang sa gayon ay mabawasan natin yung paggamit ng plastic.
Proper waste management keeps cities clean and healthy, protects nature, reduces pollution, and saves resources.